Today's watercolor painting is about how to paint crashing waves. Before I begin the crashing waves, I've painted the backdrop, which is a little subtle and I don't want too much attention on it, so I've kept the colors to minimal to muted. Now, when I begin the crashing waves, I've defined the waves with negative painting already. I'm going to paint the deep shadows first. I went in with aqua green and then I deepened it with dropping in indigo. Now with a clean brush, I'm going to spread the paint across and then I'm going to use the dry brush technique to kind of brush across the paper to kind of give the effect of the waves in the foreground. And now the waves, when they crash, they're very foamy and they don't have too much color in them, so we're just trying to do a little bit of shadow work here with very diluted paint. I've used aqua green and neutral tint for the shadows. I'm splashing clear water on the shadows because when the waves flash or when they splash, there is blooms and the feeling of blooms, right? I want that. I'm going to go back and deepen the shadows a little bit more because the watercolor dries a shade lighter to what it appears when it's wet. And finally, splatters of gouache, and then finally adding the gouache splatters for the foamy effect that I wanted for the painting. And the painting is almost done. I can now go and deepen the background a little bit to bring the attention to the crashing waves a little bit more. And then I'm going to end the painting with a few birds on the top, and that would be it for our crashing waves tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.